And as we take a live view from our CBS 4 camera in Doral, it looks a lot more beautiful today in comparison to yesterday. Still some clouds, so we're not completely out of the woods in terms of some rain that's forecast to develop later, but much improvement. I mean, Key West right now looking like paradise, and we're seeing the stormy weather is over on the west coast and the Gulf Coast side of the peninsula. A few showers, though, are already working their way across parts of Broward County here east of Parkland, as well as near the Executive Airport. Everything moving from west to east because that's the general direction of the wind flow. Right now, out of the southwest, about 6-9 miles an hour, a little more southerly through Miami-Dade and the Keys, about 5-10 miles an hour. Upper 80s in Broward and Dade County and through the Keys, nearly 90 for many areas because of the sunshine that's helping to heat us up. And also, it's humid and it feels like 102 in Marathon, feels like 97 in Miami, 93 in Fort Lauderdale, and it's relatively warm across much of the country. Look at the mid to upper 70s through the northeast and also through the mid-Atlantic, low 80s through Atlanta, New Orleans, upper 80s in Houston, and also through Vegas and Phoenix, 60s on the west coast. An active weather pattern here across the central U.S. and even parts of Texas. Severe weather will be possible for the central and southern plains, and also we're seeing the wet and unsettled weather stretching from much of our state through the southeast and even up through parts of the mid-Atlantic, northeast, and New England areas. For us, we're still unsettled today with a juicy atmosphere because we have plenty of moisture that's still lingering across the area. Hence, we have the chance for general thunderstorms today. Highs climbing to 90, and we're feeling like the upper 90s and hundreds with a chance for those showers and storms later on. And if you're headed to the beach, keep in mind temperatures will be 85, the UV index very high, and yes, some rain could roll in if you're going to be along the coast, as the future radar showing around 2, 3, 4 p.m. especially is likely we're going to see some of the heavier rain, and unfortunately for the evening rush 5, 6, 7 p.m. this model in particular showing those scattered storms. No advisories for boaters. Winds south 5 to 15 knot, seas 2, a light top on the bays. Tonight spotty storms, especially for the evening hours, warm and humid, 78 degrees. Today we will see our highest rain chance, and then tomorrow more scattered in nature with a mix of hot sun, then afternoon storms. Thursday, Friday, we're turning up the heat, lowering the rain chance. So we'll see the chance for spotty storms, but look at the high Thursday, 92, 94 Friday for the official start of summer, though it's been feeling like summer for some time. And through the weekend, it's 20% chance of spotty storms, and luckily, quiet in the tropics. Cyclone development not expected. Maribel.